Welcome to our next video on English expressions. Here is our first image. Did you get the expression? It is to catch someone red-handed, and it means to catch someone while they're doing something bad or illegal. Our two examples are: Frank was fired from his job because he was caught red-handed trying to steal money from the till. And the children wanted more ice cream, but they were caught red-handed trying to raid the freezer. Our second image is this one. The image shows the expression, have egg on your face. When you have egg on your face, you are very embarrassed about something you have said or done. For example, she told everyone she would be first in the race, but she lost and now she has egg on her face. And another example. I managed to lock myself in the shed for 5 hours and couldn't get the door open. I really have egg on my face now. Time for our final image. See if you can guess which expression this is. The expression is have a finger in the pie. It means being involved in a matter, especially if others do not want you to be. Our first example is, my mother always wants to have a finger in the pie. She cannot let me make any decision by myself. And the second example, whenever there is a party, Martin and Lisa always want to have a finger in the pie. And that's the end of this series, and we'll always end with a few important remarks. First, don't forget to subscribe to our English Expressions series. Second, please leave comments. Maybe you have other good examples, or perhaps you know the equivalent expressions in, for instance, French or Spanish or maybe Chinese. And we love to hear how you teach expressions. All comments are welcome. And please inform your colleagues about this new series with Kaboons and use the link below to see what our shop offers. Finally, here's a new picture, and we will tell you what this expression means next time. Love you! See you next time.